We are Team 1706 from Wentzville, Missouri.
Wentzville, crossroads of the nation.
Wentzville is the fastest growing community in the St. Louis metro region.
St. Louis, once a gateway to the west, now it's a gateway to new ideas. From Limburg to Boeing, St. Louis is where ideas take off.
And with corporate sponsors like Boeing and General Motors, it's a place where we're building the future, and the FIRST Robotics program is now helping us to lead the way.
It's not about robots, it's about people. It involves all of the elements of any other traditional sport, plus more.
It looks like the perfect blending of community, the school, and the students. It's absolutely great.
The sooner that the kids in our country can learn about math, science, and technology, I think it not only helps GM, but it helps our country.
One of the things about school is that you can learn the math, you can figure out the problems, but until you actually get a chance to use that knowledge, it's just characters on a piece of paper. This is where FIRST Robotics comes in.
It provides a point of reference. Now when I talk about the design process, instead of talking about a random project that the kids have no identification with, I can talk about the robot.
This fact attracts most of the members on the team, and in each of the last 3 years, we have increased our numbers substantially, showing the rise in desirability to be on the team. From 2010 to 2012, members have increased 225%, corporate sponsors by 266%, and student members by 133%.
We from GM value it, and that's why we sponsor it. We need smart young people to help us develop new products, develop new medicines, to develop new medical equipment, and actually help people's lives get better.
We are now looking to build on that growth by reaching out through the FIRST LEGO League.
I think the robotics team has influenced the community in many ways. We're working on having clubs in all of our elementary schools right now.
This will mean FLL teams in each of the 9 elementary schools and 3 middle schools within our district.
Well, I think it has a tremendous influence on a future workforce because it's exposing young people to several different areas of practice. Very unusual for young people to even be exposed to some of the things that you're exposed to.
Our virtual mentorship program shows how we are working with institutions such as MIT to advance our team further than others. We are also reaching out farther than we have before to help each other and other teams through the use of social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.
Whether online or in the arena, win or lose, we have built a foundation from the past to the future for both ourselves and the next iteration of Team 1706.